Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So it's a requested video on how to get the perfect pattern of 30 or 32 bust. So I have already made these patterns, but these are only for 36 or 38. So I'm going to show you how to make a 30 or 32 bust size pattern. So इसके लिए आपको जो चाहिए, for this you can take any pattern paper, measuring tape, pen or a marker. So first I'm marking here 3 inch and use a scale if you can. The line should be straight, and then in the side mark 5 inch. Now join these two lines. I'm using scale to join the line only, and then join the other side, the right side, and you will get this triangle shape. Now in the half inch you're gonna curve, make the curve. So I'm here 3 inches, here 5 inch, and I think the right side is 6 inch. Yes, it's 6. Now make the round curve. I'm taking half inches only. And half inch other side too. My camera is going out of focus, I'm sorry guys. So it's done. Now cut this piece from your notebook or pattern paper, whatever you're using. I'll be making a video on how to make a 30 or 32 bust size bra from this pattern, so just stay tuned, you'll see in my next video. So I'm cutting the pattern off and cut it very carefully. You should not go out of your line, otherwise the pattern will not work as well. So when you will make a bra for me, this will not work, so make sure you're cutting perfectly. Perfect, you don't need to get too cuff here. The one is perfect, and this one is for 36 to 38. I have taken in you can see 3.5 inch, 7 inch, 7 inch, and then here I have almost like I made the curve in 1 inch. Here is half inch, but here is 1 inch. So that is guys very simple to make the pattern, and I'm sorry if my English is bad. Love you guys.